Hey, beautifuls. So I want to share with you a numeral goddess code. So if you are not familiar with my numeral goddess codes, um, every number, everything, right, has a frequency. And so numeral goddess codes, and I say numeral because we also have shapes and sounds and color. All of these can fall under a goddess code. Look, it's messing with my hair. Okay, so every number carries its own specific vibration. And when you combine the numbers based on their vibration, and you use the numbers, whether you're putting it in water, putting it on your body, which of course is mostly water, or using it in one of the manifestation methods, what it does is it helps to attune your personal biosphere, your personal frequency, to the frequency of what it is that you are calling in, thus helping it materialize way more quickly. These work very well with all type. It works excellent with everything, but really well with healing and gentle manifestations. So that could be anything from I need a couple $100 to today's code, which is fibroids and cysts. So the goddess code is 419-714-819. And this code, when you use it, dissolves the abnormal growths and it restores the womb back into balance. So ways that you can use this code, I'm going to put the code somewhere up here, but the ways that you can use it, look at this, is one, you can speak it over your water. Okay, cap it, give it 15-20 minutes, and then drink it while you recite it. You can write it on your water bottles so that it charges everything that you drink with that code. It only takes a few moments. You can write your codes on your wrists. Okay, I've got a bunch on there today. And you can, this is for the womb, so you could take a really good womb oil and trace those numbers on your womb. You can trace those numbers on anywhere on your body. You can write them and put them under your pillow, under the bed, and then you can use them in your manifestation. So if you were, say this was for money or success or a new job or something like that, then if you do candle work, you could write it on the candle. Write it as part of your petition. There's so many ways that you can use this. I do have a book coming out next month that goes in great detail. I have a shorter PDF version that is available in my bio if you want to get it. It has several hundred codes. The new book will have thousands of codes and how to use them. One of the most effective ways that I have found to use the codes is to first activate it. You activate by reciting it 28 times together, sort of like a chant in your field, okay? Sometimes if you are doing a code for a headache, that within that 28 times, the headache goes away. It responds relatively quickly, okay? Some things that are outside of just what's going on in your own body or with you, it may take a little bit longer. I have a complete Goddess Code playlist that I have shared probably 50, 60 or more different codes on my page. You can go check those out. You're welcome to get the book. If you need me to drop the link, let me know. But use this code, recite it, use it daily. And the next time you go to the doctors, your next results, I promise you, will be different. So if you are interested in manifesting something and you want to try the codes, let me know in the comments what it is you want to manifest, and I will do a video and I will share with you the code. There are thousands of codes. So happy healing. Love you. Bye.